Today we are going low carb and making chicken fajitas on a low carb tortilla. This is my homemade fajita seasoning that I make using the herbs from my garden. Now you can just buy a fajita seasoning if that works for you. That works for me. 3 tablespoons, a tablespoon of lime juice. We're going to put our chicken in here. Next, we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Okay, I think I have it all on the chicken. Go ahead and subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and we really appreciate it. Hey everybody! My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are going low carb and making chicken fajitas on a low carb tortilla. I have all my things together. Do you have yours? Well, this one's going to be pretty fast, so hang on, here we go. Like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do, the chicken is still sitting, that's fine. It can sit there for just a minute. And we are going to put a little bit of olive oil in our pan. All right, our chicken is done and I just pulled it out. And we are going to start with our vegetables. We're going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Then and we do want it to pick up all of that seasoning from the bottom that's been cooking. Smells so good. Okay, we're going to let these cook on low until the onions, they're always a good tell. If you watch the onions, then once the onions start to wilt a little bit, you're getting pretty close to being done. Once we get all of our chicken cut, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken to our vegetables and toss it all up. Smells so good. Okay, so this is the inside of our fajitas. And it takes just a minute. See how the little browns start to get charred? We are ready. So I have my nice toasty warm. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build some avocado. I have a little bit. I don't really want to mask my flavor on my fajitas, but just a little bit. The sour cream. And a little bit of lime juice. And that is delicious. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I will see you next week. Like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.